Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing okay. I have got a brand new beauty box from Next. It's the Happy Birthday beauty box. This costs £22 and has a value of £83. There's a lot of new boxes on the Next website. If you haven't taken a look yet, you'll find a link to the whole page with all of their beauty boxes. There's a load on there, but I'll put a direct link to this one if after watching this you're interested in getting it for yourself. I love it when Next do occasion boxes. It's just handy, isn't it? I know some of my friends buy the Next beauty boxes and give us gifts. It makes sense, doesn't it? It's so lovely. And you've got on the back there to and from. So if you're stuck to buy something someone and you want to spend around £20 or so, then yeah, definitely check out Next. This is what the box looks like. Yeah, some really nice goodies in here. Starting off with this very posh looking, is it atomizer or is it an actual perfume? This is by Barber for her. Look, 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 look. Oh, there. Sometimes they do have information, but they haven't this time. All right then. Let's see if I like it. That's all right, actually. A little smell on my hand. It's a nice smell. Yeah. It is more of a stronger type of perfume, more than I'd go for. I normally love a fruity floral. It's a nice one. It is really nice. I don't know why I sound so shocked. I think because of the packaging, it just looks like it's probably worth over £100. I'm not that keen on really expensive perfumes. They're just too potent, too strong and spicy and peppery. But no, that one's lovely. Barber for her. Yeah, I like that. We've got a set of brushes by Brushworks. On the Move Makeup Minis. Why have they got little stickers on the bottom there? Huh? Oh, how annoying. Look. It's just an extra faff you don't want, isn't it? Oh, I can't be bothered. I'll do it again. These brushes are super soft. Really, really nice. Look, that's so nice. So you've got a powder brush there, or a nice bronzer. I like applying bronzer with a big fluffy brush. Then you've got a medium one, so I probably use that for a blush, possibly. And then you've got a stippling one or a contour one, which would be quite nice to blend in like cream, bronzes, blushes, highlights, foundation, whatever really, isn't it? And then you've got a little eyeshadow one then. Yeah, I think that's cute. Really nice. Then we've got Hello Sunday, and this is the one that makes you glow, SPF 40 Dark Spot Serum, and there's 30 mils here. There is no better prevention from dark spots than using advanced sun protection daily. Not only does this invisible treatment reduce and prevent the appearance of dark spots, oh, and a word I can't say, hexyl resorcinol and antioxidant vitamin to even out your skin tone. A fragrance-free and fast-absorbing formula with protection from UVA and UVB, pollution and blue light, ready to glow. So there's that. Try a little bit on my hand. It feels really nice and it absorbs nicely into my skin. It's an oil serum. It's lightweight, it's non-sticky, and it gives a nice glow as well. Yes, so there's that. Then we got Philip Kingsley, and this is Elasticizer Booster Restoring Conditioner, and it's 50 mils here. So this is a bit different. I haven't seen this one. Apply your normal conditioner over mid-lengths and ends of cleansed hair. Smooth the booster over the top. Rinse thoroughly. Can also be used all over in place of your normal conditioner and left on for up to 10 minutes as a flash mask. So yeah, so it's like an extra intense conditioner. Restoring conditioner. Yeah, no, I haven't tried that before. Is that? Then we've got Dr. Pawpaw. This is Shimmer Balm with natural pawpaw, multi-use, moisturising and smoothing. And there's 10 mils here. have had this one before, but I just can't remember how shimmery it is. Let's have a squirt. Ooh. See, that is pretty. Oh yes, I can see the glitters in there. It is so pretty. If it didn't feel like a Vaseline, then I'd wear it on my face, but I think it would annoy me being on my face. It's just too tacky and sticky, but it is a pretty makeup product. I generally use these balms for my fingers, for my cuticles and my toes. I suppose I could use it and make them sparkly looking. And then lastly, we got Japanese Cherry Blossom from Bath and Body Works. This is a body wash with provitamin B5 and aloe, and there's 295 mils there. This is the standout product for me. I absolutely love the scent of cherry blossoms, and I love it when I get big shower gels in beauty boxes. I know I'm going to squeeze that in my face. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. That is lovely. It's so lovely. Yeah, I really like that. And there you go. Those are all the products in the birthday box. So we've got a body wash. We've got a dark spot oil serum with SPF 40. We've got a shimmer multi-purpose balm. We've got Barber for Her perfume. Elasticizer booster. And a set of 4 makeup brushes. Again, I think it's a lovely gift for someone, isn't it? It's a bit of everything in there. Yeah, I really do like it. And £22 and has a value of 83. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this one? Do you think it makes for a really good birthday gift? I suppose if you didn't want to buy it for a birthday present, you'd buy it and just remove this and give them this, couldn't you? Or keep it for yourself. I think it's a good one, but I'd love to hear what you think, so let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.